Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack, take a close-up look and test the Joie folding step stool. So let's just take a look around the outside of the packaging. So in this clear plastic wrapper packaging is a Joie folding step stool, and it can support a maximum weight of 150 kilograms or 330 pounds. And taking a look at the reverse side of this folding step stool's packaging, there is some further information of the folding step stool. So when deployed, it has a maximum height of 22 centimeters or 8.5 inches. Now let's go ahead and open up the clear plastic wrapper packaging by slowly and carefully making a puncture into the packaging. And tearing the wrapper off. And let's, of course, remove the card packaging as well. So tearing that off and giving you another look, this time a bit more clearly with this close-up of the details and product information that's on the card packaging. Okay, and just setting the card packaging to the side, setting it on the right hand side of the tabletop, and giving you a look at this Joie folding step stool. And you can see clearly that it is black in colour, and taking a much closer in look, so we can see that it does have an overall matte finish or dull finish, and we can see the Joie branding on the integrated handles near the top of the folding step stool. So to give you some sense of its size, I'm going to place my hand over the step stool and taking a look at the side or profile of the step stool, and of course on the reverse side as well. So giving you that overall look of this step stool, and of course taking a look at the base of the step stool as well, so the feet or the legs of the step stool. So I can feel the what appears to be rubber or silicone pads or feet at the bottom or underside of the legs for grip. Giving you a look top down as well of this Joie folding step stool. So overall plastic construction, and in the folded up state. So right there, giving you a full and clear look of this step stool. And of course, now let's go ahead and deploy it or unfold it. So very simply and instantly does open up into a step stool or low seat. So once again, it supports a weight of 150 kilograms or 330 pounds, so giving you a top-down look as well, so we can see the integrated handles right there, and of course the side profile as well. So right there you can see very clearly the overall details throughout. And of course taking a look at the overall structure from the underside. So once again, with the feet or legs, there are those slip resistant pads along the feet or leg base. So giving you that close-up look. And of course that's trying to achieve focus as well on those details. So right there, that strip and that strip, providing a secure and slip resistant contact. So right there, just trying to push the step stool and it stays nicely in place. As I try and wiggle it simply with my hand. And of course just making sure that it is fully extended out as it is. And let's of course fold it up, so just a simple lifting up of those integrated handles for instant closure and deployment or opening into a usable step stool. And now let's go ahead and of course test it out. So let's try and stand on it. So I weigh approximately 78 kilos. And right there, providing a nice and sturdy, and of course trying to wiggle it as well. It does stay nice and firmly in position. And of course, once again, very simply lifting up those handles, collapses and folds the step stool down. So that's the Joie folding step stool. Thanks for watching and happy stepping!